In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make money with Fiverr.com and Chat GPT. You can use Fiverr.com to run a small scale business. All you need is your skills and service. To sign up, you can just click join and you're going to enter your email address and click continue and you fill the form. And also I have tutorial on how to sign up ChatGPT. It's easy. Just watch this tutorial. I'll drop the link in the description below and you can check it out. Let's go back to Fiverr.com. In this particular tutorial, I'll show you how to sell product review service. Example, product review. Scroll down, see, I will write a product review article or product description for $14. It goes up $70, $49, and it keep going up. 119, 168. It depends on your experience, knowledge, and recommendations. I'll create a product review video or post. This lady is doing 2-in-1. Let's click on this and see what's going on. Check this out. Up to 250 words alone, you're gonna pay $15.03. You need at least 1,200 words to rank on Google. Let me grab the calculator here. 1,250 divided by 250, because he's saying 250 words. 5 times 14, let's say times 14 and 3 cents. You're gonna end up paying $70, and this is just the minimum. You can even charge like $20. This is the basic. Go to standard. Standard is $28. The standard has the SEO keywords, and when you come to premium, 56. It depends on ChatGPT. I will advise you to install this Chrome extension, AI PRM ChatGPT prompt. I can just click here and write a blog post outline for Picture AI. I can also delete this and type in Picture AI, enter. It's generating the outline for Picture AI review. First, this is introduction, brief overview of Picture AI and its capabilities, explanation of how Picture AI can benefit businesses and individuals, how Picture AI works. This is really good. I can copy, paste it here, and I write a blog post. Then I'll enter, write a commit blog post on the above. Write a blog post on the above in friendly and contour. Enter. Now it's gonna develop the entire article based on the outline that it has generated before. You don't need to worry. It's gonna create everything. The information delivered is good, but not that much. Let me show you something. Right click, and this is a Chrome extension, word count plus. As you can tell, it's 397, and at least I need 2 or more than 1,000. This is not good for ranking. And another way, copy this, then I'll say write an introduction, then enter, and you'll see it's gonna develop that. It's writing an introduction about Picture AI. Then you can go back, explanation of how Picture AI can benefit businesses and individuals. You copy this, go down, drop it here, paste. Then you say, let me see, explain how. Then enter. Then it's explaining. When this is done, we're gonna scroll up. Then we're gonna have to go to the next one. This is how Picture AI works. I'm gonna copy here, Control C, paste, then comma, say explain, enter. It's gonna develop that one too. See, it's explaining that one too. This is how you're gonna be prompting this thing to write according to each outline. This one is done. As you can tell, just under the introduction, the brief overview, the benefits, and how it works, just this. And on top of that, we have this and that. And guess what? We have, let me show you this. Right click. This alone is 100 words. When you come down here, this alone, let me just right click. This is 183. Together is 284. And let's check this one too. We have 284 plus this. It's gonna be, let's say, calculator, 284 plus 235. Right now we have 519. Just for this, that should tell you that if you don't know how to prompt this thing properly, you're gonna end up writing short content or something that is not good. I can go on and keep developing more than 2,000 words, and that is good for you. Let's say we are done. Copy and go back to your form on Fiverr, and based on how you're going to deliver the service or the product, then you're gonna go on that route, like deliver through email or a link to drop it on. One last thing I need to show you, Copyscape is a plagiarism proofreader, and it goes by credit. Let's say the last time I dropped $5, October 2022, and I don't normally use it. Click on it and paste it, then click on premium. No result found, meaning this article is 100% free from plagiarism. This is something you need to look into. If not, Google will not promote you. This is one way. In the next tutorial, I'll be coming more videos on how to run different services. Instead of charging, you can charge 28 times at least 5. Trust me, almost $150. You just have to write more, and the more you write, this is 800 to 10, and we're gonna develop almost 2,000. That's the best way to go. And trust me, the more you develop, the higher the price. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.